Welcome to another episode of Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel, I try to bring you guys a variety of different tech-related content. So, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you do, hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when I release new content. In today's video, we're going to add Apple Homekit functionality to the August Smart Lock Pro 3rd generation. Alright guys, so in last week's video I installed the August Smart Lock Pro and set it up using the August Home app. I'll put a link to that video up above as well as down in the video description below. This week we're going to add Apple Homekit functionality. So if you're a HomeKit user, you can control your lock using the Apple Home app as well as using Siri voice commands. If you have an Apple hub set up, such as an Apple TV or an iPad acting as a hub, you'll have remote access control to your lock when you're away from your home network. You're going to need this red card, which was contained inside the welcome pack that came inside the box. On the back of the card, you'll find the Apple HomeKit code, which you're going to need to set up the Apple HomeKit functionality. Let's get started with that process. Okay guys, so to start the HomeKit process, I'm in the August Home app. I have my front door up on the screen, as you can see, and it is locked. The next step is to hit the settings icon in the lower right hand corner of the screen. And then we're going to click on Lock Settings. Here we're going to scroll down until we see the Platforms area, and we're going to click on HomeKit Settings. And then we're going to click on the blue Enable HomeKit button. Now it's suggesting that we remove the faceplate from the front of the lock to locate the code. The code is also available on that card that came in the welcome kit, so we're going to use that to scan the code. So it's currently looking for the lock and adding it to HomeKit. Choose a lock to add to HomeKit. We're going to select this lock. Choose which HomeKit home you want to add this lock to. We're going to add it to My Home. And we're going to click Next. And we're going to add it to Entrance Hallway because that's where the lock is located. So we're selecting the room. And we're going to click Continue. And now we have to scan the setup code, which I'm going to do now. Accessory added. Front door has now been added to My Home. You can now use Siri and third-party HomeKit apps to operate your lock. So let's click Done. Let's X out of this screen, close the August Home app, and let's go into the Apple Home app. And now we can see at the bottom of the screen, the last icon is the entrance hallway front door, and you can see the status is locked. So if I press on that, it should unlock the door. And that was successful. And now if I press it again, it should lock the door. And now let's try a Siri command. Hey Siri, unlock front door.
Unlocked.
Hey Siri, lock front door.
I'm on it. Your front door is locked.
So that's the setup and integration of the August Smart Lock Pro 3rd generation with Apple's HomeKit functionality. Stay tuned for next week's video where I'll cover the setup of the August Connect Wi-Fi dongle. I'm curious, are you guys using a smart lock in your home? If so, which one? Put that down in the video comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for using those Amazon affiliate links. I know it doesn't change your price, but it certainly helps out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.